up, man? It's Big SilenCA, WestCoastReactive.com, #1 independent website in the world. We're right here in Boise, Idaho at the Expo. Jefitos, OG clothing brand, #1 clothing brand in Idaho, the whole state. I'm going live 2:45. Shout out to MC Magic, Jay Roxxx, and the Temptations.
Thank you for stopping by the booth and checking out all the merchandise. Shout out to Jefitos for putting together such a dope-ass event. All right, let's get it. I got a new song with Pay Every Legend Spice One called West Most Wanted. Hate to lose, hate for gold, too late to choose. Just on the school, turn it up, and you know we about it, and you know we brought it. It's the West Most Wanted, it's the West Most Wanted. Hate to lose, paid my dues, too late to choose. Church on the move, and you know we about it, and you know we brought it. It's the West Most Wanted. It's the West Most Wanted. Just a crying in depression. Never open womb and get Spice One that comes to blessing. The one they call love before protection. Talking down to those who pay the way. I'm the home of the company checking. Check in and collector. Some girl representatives nothing with the scope. Hit your dead center. Then go back. Just hit my team. Perfect cheek. In the country. One right side. Big cheaper. Ain't nobody as high as me. Big pimpin'. Judge. Ain't nobody as fly as me. That's the pit that I can eat. Days of rotation from the SGV to Rincon Reservation. Wanted that it would rise, born to survive. Blocked in, hanging out the window just like blocked in. Streaming West Side fellowshipping, anointed like magic. Now one bishop, it's on them. It ain't in a real game, it isn't. Wherever I go, at least with gangsters with the fool. Act like you won't get presents, I'm formally dressed. I'm a pain forgetter, never stress. It's nothing to a boss, man. It's next to less. It's next to less. The rules, shake the fools, break the news, never stayed in school. But you know we bout it, and you know we brought it. It's the West Most Wanted, it's the West Most Wanted. Hate to lose, yeah, pay my dues, too late to choose. On the move, and you know we bout it, and you know we brought it. It's the West Most Wanted, it's the West Most Wanted. Yeah, that's a good respect beat right there. Everything produced by us, everything in-house. WestCoastReactive.com, baby. Let's go. Do my res. I come from a small Indian reservation in Southwest San Diego. Goes to me, my res is like no other. Take you and treat you like a cousin or a brother. Oh, I can take you with another. My friend is sending over to his own mother. He wouldn't want to buy anything from no one else. He really loves her. Dirt bikes out ripping everything through the AM. Everybody's bored, nobody wanna stay in. If you got that work, you waiting. You make that bed, you making. If Rincon boys ain't play, that's my reservation. I walk the block with Satan. Gotta put in work, no time for vacation. Only time to chill with circle up with crazy. Southern Cali raising. Where the every girl is so amazing. You ran around the block while I was on it. Till my head was spinning like something. You got that work that I put about your pocket, double R. I'm a Rincon rocket. They mad, they step down, they mock that it ain't got you. It ain't easy on the streets, on your own boy. No place to run together, ever call your home boy. The pressure got me, but the friends really my home boy. I don't give a pop, they ain't making no noise. The millions trying to fit in, I call them D. a complete life. My rest is like no other. Take you and treat you like a cousin or a brother. Oh, I can take you through the gutter. My friend is saying don't do his own mother. You put it on your mind and no one else can do it.
Shout out to Rick from Reservation. You could never imagine the night you were surrounded by mouse. Sorry I couldn't hear myself too well. Fell off on that one. The song's called Pay Us right here.
I'm not worried about being famous. I just want them to pay us. Shout out to the money makers.
Yeah, West Coast gangster. Yeah, money maker. Dear Lord, tell me why they wanna hate us. I'm not worried about being famous. I just want them to pay us. Yeah. Overlook us, never wanna book us. Real rhyme cookers, try to ignore us, but they never was shook us. Only if they really knew how long it took us. Why the hood can't steady when the hood always love us. West Coast hustlers, double uppers, not even trippers. I was playing with the people, saying I'm not gonna buzz in the middle. I remember with Snoop, Jackie 40 for the shizzle. Everyone thinks this rap game so simple. Ain't everything but it seems. I used to have visions that big drink. You gotta smoke your mirror. Tears and fears for many years, thinking I could never be. Until one day I realized none of these fools are better than me. I did it on my own, they got it all for free. Smooth there. Half of these fools never walked into a room there. I'm not worried about being famous. I just wanna pay us. Shout out to the West Coast gangster. Let's go. Money maker. Dear Lord, tell me why they wanna hate us.
I'm not worried about being famous. I just want them to pay us. West Coast gangster.
Never been one to waste time. To live a raw lyrics over with the respect to face now. Nothing's overnight, everything takes time. Gotta go and make mine. See you gotta hear it when you wake now. Not the top I need around. When you scared of where you're bound. Too many dying out here. Rather than marriage even happily. Just another casualty. Nobody call me, affected on it. Now you always begging with nothing to offer. Time to get it harder, but the music getting softer. How mysterious, feeling like the Joker. Why so serious? Do I need a therapist or a conspiracy theory? About the president, wanna talk to you inside. We're the higher vision. I show that the time you wanna miss. Big time now, playing with this. Hustler, supply to customer. I'm not worried about being famous. I just want them to pay us. Shout out to the money makers. Yeah. Money makers. Dear Lord.
Tell me why they wanna hate us.
I'm not worried about being famous.
I just want them to pay us.
West Coast gangster. Yeah. Money makers. Thank you for having me today. You guys want to stop by the booth?